The benefits of using high-strength concrete for pre-stressed bridge beam design are very significant. What typically governs the pre-stressing strand layout and the amount of pre-stress required in a bridge beam, pre-stressed bridge beam, is the stress limit checks, that phase of the design. The stress limits themselves, the compressive stress limit in particular, is a function of the grade of the concrete that you are using, the strength of the concrete that you are using. Therefore, the higher the strength of concrete that you're using, the more room you've got for those stress limit checks, the higher your compressive stress limit is going to be. And generally speaking, the more flexible you will be able to be, and the fewer strands you will be required to use fewer strands typically as well. More importantly than potentially fewer strands is generally you will be able to achieve greater spans with your beams if you are using high-grade concrete. The secondary benefit of using a high-grade concrete for the design of pre-stressed bridge beams is also the ultimate limit state check, but this is a minor benefit really. The ultimate limit state check is typically just a check for the bridge beams, and the improvement in the moment capacity is going to be rather small as a result of using high-grade concrete. You will get a bit more noticeable benefit from the shear design of the beams if you're using a high-grade concrete. However, it should be noted that the UK National Annex for the Eurocode for bridge beam design does limit the grade of concrete to C50-60 for shear design. It should also be noted as well too with regard to the Eurocodes that the Eurocodes are more conducive to the use of high-grade concrete in the design of bridge beams. Indeed, there's a table contained within the primary Eurocode concrete code wherein the properties of concrete grades to a very high grade, a very high strength indeed, are explicitly spelled out. So there is tremendous benefit in using high-grade, high-strength concrete in the design of pre-stressed bridge beams, particularly within the context of designs to the Eurocodes.